here's bike number 2 arrived, and I'll film the unboxing of it since that was requested. Box is in perfect condition. The truck driver, when coming across Canada, it was on a pallet, strapped down. But the local driver that brought it to me, he basically tipped it and set up, and we carried it in here. So, anyways, the only difference between this one and the other one I bought is that this is the Echo Step, all the same componentry and everything, and just a different frame. So let's have a look and see what we got here. And these things come folded, so they're pretty easy to get out of the box. Okay. Hey, there's another one of those bags. Cool. Let's have a look and see what we got going on here. Got a spare tube. That's nice. Okay. Lots of goodies in here. So the only assembling that needs to happen here is the seat goes in the seat post and handlebars go into the handlebar post. And that's pretty much all there is. So I'm just going to very carefully cut this. This is wrapped to the nth degree here. Oh my goodness. I wonder if I can get this off of here today. See what kind of seat they supplied with right here. Oh, it's the same seat as what I had on the other one. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. The difference here is that this will be, it's still a tip-up seat like I had with the gel inserts in it, but this is a suspension seat post. So we're just going to put that aside. And let's have a look, see how it's going to come out here. And there we go. Okay, on the last bike, what I did was I just cut the box down and opened up the front of the box. The bike is nowhere near that, so that's what I'm going to do. Because I recycle the cardboard anyway. That's how I did the last one. So let's just pull the bike out. Here. So it's here. A bunch of things here. Mirrors. Ah. Okay. But let's concentrate on getting the bike unwrapped here. Back to the knife here. Usually there's a snap strap somewhere in here. Oh, I'm being really careful here that I don't cut something too close to the paint there. I don't want to do that. There we go. Just going to choose the handlebar here. And then the easiest place to cut it, which is right there. Okay. And this should slide off. Yeah, there we go. So now this was one of the things that I discovered here is that the other one is this was pretty close to being, yeah, so you want, yeah. There's just enough of the cables here to get this thing in here. These cables here. Yes. In fact, you know what? I think I'm going to have to wait until I unfold the bike because it's just being a little bit difficult there. Okay. So I was very pleased with the Havoc bike that I got. Very pleased. I've taken it for several rides. I haven't really done any videotaping on those rides, except for the very first time I tried it out here in the alleys. But I've been super happy with it. I've put it away now for the winter. I don't. It's so freaking cold out there right now. Minus 12, and it's going to get a little colder here. Alberta's like that, eh? You'll get a Chinook one day, and then the other day you're going to get a cold snap. So, there's our keys. We need those. I'm just going to stick them in there for now. So, seat goes on there. This thing here. Oh, okay. So, I'm down to the tie strap here, which is kind of holding the bike together, I guess. Okay, that came off. It's actually broken. Okay, no worries about that. Won't be saving that. So, let's see now here. Where's the next place to start? Well, that would be just taking this off the frame very quickly here. There we go. We got it completely oops, nope, one more. My bad. One more here, particularly from the side of that. There we go. I don't see anything else on there, so let's open the bike up. Okay. Come on. Oops. That's got to go out of the way. Oh, come on. Boy, is that ever stiff. Okay. There we go. Now you gotta lift up on, it's got a really good locking mechanism here. Put the kickstand down. That's going to help a bit. Oh, there we go. And there we go. Now, this is going to be a lot easier to stick this in place when this is down. With this, you only have to do this once, by the way. There we go, just like that. Boom. Oh, so this one's got a little bit different brakes. Everything else is the same. Oh yeah, haven't locked the handlebar in place yet. There we go. Yeah, look at that. So, there we go. Well, let's just put this over here like this, so you can see it in the camera. And I'll fire that seat post in there. That's pretty easy. I'm going to put it right down on the bottom just because it's, you know, it's easy to do that way. These. Sorry, I'm just fiddling with the, you know, I used to work on bikes all the time and I should know these things. Okay. Yeah. So this one here, you gotta flip the seat up and that takes the battery out. The key pushes in, it turns like that, and then out comes the battery. So this battery is probably going to need a charge before I use the bike or try it out. In order to find that out, just turn it on and push the little button here. Oh, it shows full charge. Okay, interesting. Okay, might be alright. So there's a few little bits of clear plastic on some of the stuff. There's definitely a piece of clear plastic on there. There's probably one on the headlight. Nice headlight, by the way, on these bikes. Very good quality stuff. And there's one on the tail light here too. The little pieces of plastic, eh? You can see them here. Tail light one's always a little bit stubborn here. It'll come off. Here we go. So this one here is very much the same as my other one. Like I said, it's just the frame. This is a stepped through frame for my wife. And yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay. Wow. I can just get on and off that so easily now. Oh, this one's going to be a pleasure. These things are good quality. I can't see anything wrong with it at all. Just initially as I'm unpacking it, I'm having a close look. And everything is in really good shape. This has a twist throttle. It has your buttons for your turn on the screen here. And, oh hey, let's do that. There we go. Oh, different screen. Little bit different screen. Look at that. Wow. So there's your pedal assist numbers and stuff. Let's just give it a shot here. I just lift it up. All right. Nice. Trip distance. The screen looks just a little bit different. It's got a bit of a different graphic in it. Yeah. Let's hold this button down and she goes to sleep. Actually, what we should have done here, sorry, is just check out, make sure the headlights work, and headlights working, tail light should work, and the brakes. Brake lights. Horn? Yeah, he's cute. What I do is, once she's going to start riding this bike, which is probably in the spring, I will tweak the adjustments on the handlebars to suit her. You know, she might find that it's just fine the way it is, which is, it's pretty darn close. On mine, all I did was just put the brake levers just down a little bit because I'm used to that. I'd like to also say that thank you, Fabulous Bikes, for putting the twist throttle on here. having that thumb throttle over on this side, for me, is not normal. I am so used to riding motorcycles and scooters with the throttle over here. Even my ATV has a throttle right here where your gear shifter is. So this hand likes to do that kind of work. This one here can operate the buttons over here, no problem. You got your turn signals and your headlight on and off, and of course your pedal assist. So awesome, awesome. As soon as we get a little bit of a warmer day, actually I might be able to do it later on. I'll take this for a little ride just to make sure that everything's okay.